In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take an image that had been inserted into a Google slideshow and extract it from the slideshow so that it can be used elsewhere. So here on the second page, I had placed this angry eagle on the page. This is an image, it could be a photo, anything. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to drag it off to the side here and put it on my desktop. That doesn't work. The way to do it is to right click on the image. We have this menu. At the very bottom of the menu, it says Save to Keep. So go to the very bottom, Save to Keep, click on that. That will open up your Keep Notes on the right side of your Google Slides, and you'll see the image of the eagle popped up here. When I hover over the image, I have to hover over it, there's going to be these three vertical menu dots. Click on that, and then click on Open in Keep, the very bottom right here. And then once that's open, you can right click on it and then click Save Image As. Go ahead and give it a name. So I'll call this Angry Eagle. I'll save that to my desktop. And then you can see over here on the right side, it's on my desktop. So I double click it and that's going to open up for Mac computers. It's in preview right there. And there's my image.